Hello kids! Today we are going to learn CVC words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, click on the red subscribe button and watch fun videos every day. Let's get started. What are vowels? Can you repeat after me? A, E, I, O, U. Let's do it again. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Short A CVC words. Let's have a look at all the words with vowel A in the center. Bag, man, cat, dab. Let's repeat it again. Bag, man, cat, dab. We are reading words with vowel A in the center. Your turn. Very good. Short E CVC words. Wet, net, gem, jet. Let's repeat it again. Wet, net, gem, jet. So we are reading words with vowel E in the center. Your turn to read. Very good. Short I CVC words. Let's check words with vowel I in the center. Lip, dig, tip, win. Let's repeat it again. Lip, dig, tip, win. So we are checking words with vowel I in the center. Your turn to read. Very good. Short O CVC words. Let's check words with vowel O in the center. Pot, nod, log, cot. Let's repeat it again. Pot, knot, log, cot. We are checking words with vowel O in the center. Your turn to read. Very good. Short U CVC words. Let's check words with vowel U in the center. Hug, bug, sun, fun. Let's repeat it again. Hug, bug, sun, fun. Your turn. Very good. You did great. Let's revise vowels again. A, E, I, O, U. Can we read them together? A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mama in the next video? I'm excited too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.